Hey, can I have your attention for a second? My name is Lady Volcano, and I'm a singer-songwriter and a dancer. I'm looking to connect with more people who might like my music or my dance style. So if you are a fan of singer-songwriters and dancing, then this ad is made for the right person. I'd love to send you a free song and a link to my dance tutorial. If you'd like to get it, click to the download button below and I'll send it straight to your email box. ISO STYLE is a new dance style and was developed by myself. This is where the male expression of today's street dance is combined with dynamic hip kicks and soft internal movements from Oriental dance. ISO STYLE connects the culture codes of the Orient with the Occident.
Get into the groove and let your body move.